So let's say you created a template and you want to share this file off to your students so that they can each individually work on the project, but you still have access to see the files as they're working. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a folder. So we go Create, Folder, and we're going to name it Trivia Game because that's its assignment. Now I already have that folder made, so instead of clicking Create, I'll click Cancel. So as you can see, I have Trivia Game. To move my file into it, I will click and drag. So as you can see, the Trivia Game template will move into the folder. The next step is to open the folder and make copies. I've already done that a few times, but I'll show you how. You just check the box, click More, and make a copy. So now that the copies are created, you want to get it ready for your students. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the file you want to change and rename it. So for this one, I'm going to call it Trivia Group 1. And then what I'll do with Trivia Group 1, still checked, I click More, and I'm going to click Share. And now this is where you can add your students. So I had all my students create Gmail accounts. For this example, I'm going to just email it to myself. So this is my other Gmail account I am entering, and I click Send. So now you can see that C. Freed and Corey Freed, both myself, can access and edit the file. However, if you notice, it says C. Freed is owner and Corey Freed can edit. Now I could change that, however I'm going to leave it that way because the next thing I do is down here where it says editor will be allowed to add people and change the permissions. We're going to change that so only the owner of the file has those permissions. This will prevent your students from deleting another classmate off the file if you're assigning groups. It just makes it so only you have access to make those management decisions. Once that's done, your students will get an email that tells them the file was shared with them. And right here on the side, there's a box that says Shared with Me. In my case, I do not currently have any shared files, but if I share that file with my students, it will show up in the File Shared with You. And they would click the file just as if they made it themselves, and they can start editing it.